Cancer. Hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the second half of May, 16 to 31st of May 2020. So yeah, Cancer, you guys are awesome. I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, and yeah, let's start your reading. Let's hope for the best. What is coming for you for the second half of May 2020? Okay. This is for the Cancerians. You guys are awesome. You guys are like lovely beings. So this is coming for you. Ace of Wands, a very passionate connection. Wow. Wow. Ace of Wands. So yeah, guys. Five of Cups, Nine of Wands, Two of Swords. Two of Cups right now, current energy, Ten of Wands, Knight of Swords, Five of Swords, Knight of Cups, Ace of Swords. Okay, Cancer, this is the Lovers card, bottom of the deck again. Okay, what I'm feeling for you, Cancer, that the connection or the person you were dealing with was very strong, because we have Lovers here and then the Two of Cups, very strong connection, and also very passionate because we have Ace, 10 and Nine of Wands. So definitely passion was there, there's no doubt. Passion was there, love was there, and then this connection becomes a burden for both of you, like for you and for your person. Yeah, and then both of you become cold towards each other. Both of you have built your guard up towards each other. Both of you were not talking, both of you were very silent, very like both of you want to try, like trying to manipulate each other with this Five of Swords energy present here. Like that was, and this is a very nasty, very manipulative energy, very like playing games energy, mind games. That's why the connection was very strong, very passionate with this Two of Cups energy. You can see this passion was there, love was there, but then it becomes toxic because of both of your behavior. Yeah, so I'm feeling that some kind of new beginning is waiting for you. So yeah, in the recent past we have Five of Cups, Nine of Wands and the Two of Swords. So definitely you were sad, they were sad, both of you have your guard up, both of you are not trying to let your guard down, both of you are dealing with your past baggage. Like you were not ready to let your guard down, they were not ready to let their guard down. That's why both of you were on the crossroads with the Two of Swords energy present here. Both of you are not compromising if you have love. Yeah, you are not compromising your thoughts, your mind. Okay, Two of Cups, Ten of Wands and the Knight of Swords. So definitely passion is there, love is there, and I'm feeling that now this is the time for the communication. So let's talk about it. What you want, what I want, let's talk about it. With the Five of Swords, Knight of Cups and the Ace of Swords present here, we have two aces here, Ace of Wands and the Ace of Swords. So they also want to speak their truth, and you are also gonna speak your truth, because you are in making offer manner. Like you are trying to offer them your cup of love, because after this conversation you think and you hope, you expect that they will accept your offer. So let's see, why is the Ace of Wands is here for the Cancerians. Ace of Wands for the Cancer. Magician. Okay, I was clarifying the Ace of Wands, Magician, Strength, Five of Pentacles. Okay, Cancer, I'm feeling that the person you were dealing with was passionate. Yeah, there's no doubt that they are not passionate. They are so much passionate about you to get that intimate connection with you, to have that intimacy and to have that intimate connection with you. But and they are having every tool, like magician can have each and every tool. you can know, you know about it. And they are very strong at that time. They were very like and at the higher position, because this is Leo, the shining star, so they can achieve whatever they want at that time. But then they didn't give you what you have wished from them. That's why they are feeling right now in the left out in the cold situation. Because I'm trying to say you that you want new beginning with them, a very beautiful, stable, passionate, loving connection with them, a commitment with them. And they have each and every tool at that time, but they didn't respond you well. They didn't give you that commitment. That's why now you are manifesting your strength, and you are manifesting your stability, your each and everything of your life. You want to get that stable and very, very happy long term life situation, happy life. And they are now feeling left out in the cold, like whoa, like in which condition you were in the past, now they are in this present moment, they are facing that. Okay, I just want to know why is the Nine of Wands is here. Why you got up so much? Why you got it up so much? Nine of Wands for the Cancer, please, in the recent past. Three of Cups, yeah. Seven of Wands. King of Wands. Okay, I'm my throat chakra was very great, but now it is very active because of the people, the person you're dealing with. They're trying to tell you something. They want communication. Yeah, Cancer. So you have your guard up because you have a little hope of the reconciliation with the Three of Cups present here. You can see this, the Three of Cups. But they were just continuously resisting you, and then you have take your action. You left them behind and you move forward, which is great, because they are not compromising their ego. When there is love, there is no ego. When there is love, there is no ego. Why is the Ten of Wands is here? Right in the heart of the spread for the Cancer, please. Eight of Pentacles, Four of Wands, Five of Wands. Okay. So I'm feeling that right now you have like put that burden down behind yourself, and you are working on yourself. You know that the twin or the stable partner of your life will come towards you at the right time, and you are not dealing with any kind of drama with the Five of Wands. You are not talking to them, I'm feeling like this, but they are continuously trying to communicate with you with the Knight of Swords energy. Yeah, they are trying to communicate to you because now they are feeling very sad. They are feeling alone without you. Why is the Knight of Swords is here for the Cancer? Why is the Knight of Swords is here for the Cancer, please? The clear message, please. Ten of Swords, okay. Three of Swords, Eight of Swords. Wow. So some of you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, Cancer. I'm feeling that definitely they are also want this communication, because they think that you will cut them out, you will end that relationship with them, and they will be feeling like Eight of Swords. I'm feeling like they are now playing a little bit blame game with you, because they will tell you all those things which they have done with you, which they have done to you. Like they will tell you that you betrayed them, you will heartbroken them, you will make that breakup happen. You had made that breakup happen in the past, and you were not telling them the whole truth. You were the dramatic, you were the playing games, and you know what, this is their truth, this is their karma, so let them have to deal with it. Why is the Knight of Cups is here for the Cancer in the immediate future, for the second half of May? Ace of Cups, beautiful. So this is you want from them now. Universe is giving you that. Three of Pentacles, collaboration, Hanged Man, perspective change. Cancer, you know what, there is a person who has so much love for you, and they want to come towards you with this Ace of Swords present here. They want to they're trying to tell you, like, yeah, definitely they are shy a little bit, but they are with this Knight of Cups energy, very cute, very charming personality. They are trying to tell you that, listen, if we have something, a true love connection, then please tell me, will you marry me? So Cancer, are you ready for this commitment? Because this is Four of Wands, twin flame connection, very true partnership. Yeah, they want to collaborate with you with the Three of Pentacles present here, and they want to end that stuckness which you are having right now. So now tell me, are you ready for this, Cancer? Because we have three aces here. Yeah, three aces: Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups, and Ace of Swords. So definitely new beginnings, and you are going to towards your soul commitment, towards your divine counterpart, towards a very beautiful commitment, love partnership, strong stable foundation of the relation. This is a very beautiful long-term partnership you are going to have right now. So Cancer, this is I have for you. You are now very strong. You are like the magician. The magician. Beautiful. So this is I have for you, Cancer. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye Cancer.